All right. Hope everybody's doing okay today. This is Mr. Cotton right here, in the flesh. Even though you can't see me, you sure can hear me, all right? So, real quick, I just want to show everybody what's going on for today's class. Obviously, it is Friday, January 29th, and I told you all yesterday that I would not be here. So, this is a little video just to walk you through what's going on, okay? So, first things first, I want to make sure that you log into the Collaborate session. Okay, please make sure that you log in because there might be some kids that's lost in the sauce and don't know what's going on. So please log in to help each other out. My email is right here, brandon.cotton726@gmail.com. I guess somebody was calling me. But yes, that's my email right there. So you can email me if you have any questions. I know that some of you do have me on Remind, and you can reach me that way just in case things don't go smoothly, all right? Now, the first thing I want everybody to work on is Mayan reading. Of course, Mayan being this app right here, okay? Please make sure that you log into Mayan, okay? And I want you to read, for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And then when you're done, I would like you to respond to your reading. Now, I did put this link right here, which says click link. And of course, it comes up and it looks like this. This is the recording, okay? This time I did put a thing for your name, all right? And of course, I want you to put your response, the page number, and the title. And I also put the response, the different types of responses that you could respond to right here, just to make it easy for you, okay? That link is for you right here, okay? After, I want you to work on the Pearson Argumentative Lesson 2. Now, the other day we did Argumentative Lesson 1. That was the one that we worked on together with the matching activities, okay? But today I want you to work on Module 2. Now, I did put the link for you right here, and if you click on it, you should be able to get right into it just as I did, okay? But hypothetically, if you're not, just make sure you're logged into class link right here, okay? And then when you see the Pearson SAML app right here, you're going to click on that, okay? You're going to click on Realize because you only have Realize under your learning systems, okay? And then you're going to click on Classes, okay? Now, on your screen, it's going to look a lot different than mine, okay? It's going to look a lot different than mine. But you should see an assignment right here that says Argumentative Writing Level 2. Okay, we did Level 1 already on the other day, but now we're doing Level 2. So that is the one you're going to click on. Okay, you should be able to access that as soon as you hit Classes. Right here, on the next slide, you should be able to see that at the very bottom. It's going to be the last assignment because the last assignment is the most recent assignment. Okay, you can also click this link too. But you have to make sure that you are logged in the class link and then Pearson SAML to access it. Pearson SAML being this. Okay? If you're not logged in, it will not work. All right? And then once you're done with that, I just want everybody to continue practicing with brainstorming for our actual paper. Okay? I put a new prompt right here. Is space exploration important? I got this prompt from the Pearson textbook on page 162. This is not the prompt that we are going to use for our actual writing assignment on Monday, but I feel like more practice will do us some good because I want to make sure that we know how to brainstorm and get our ideas to paper, okay? Now, I put the notes that we took from the previous day right here in this folder called Note Pictures Brainstorm, all right? And I also attached a graphic organizer that we use right here, okay? Same one we used from the other day just to guide us through our assignment for today. I also put the pictures to the notes like I said I would. These are all the pictures from each class that we did it from. So some of the notes might look kind of the same, but it's have different scenarios. Remember, I did notes for first and second, fourth and fifth, and sixth and seventh period. So you can look at the notes from each period if you like, or you can just find your class. You'll recognize it by the words for which one that you want to use to help you if you need them, because we did take the notes in our notebook. Okay, when you get to this part, please make sure that these notes are in your writing notebook. Okay, if you do not have your writing notebook, you can put it in the reading notebook crafting section just for now, but you need to move it over because I am checking for those notes in our writing notebook. Anyway, I want you to brainstorm for this prompt right here, okay? It says, use the notes we took from the previous day. You can put your new brainstorming argument notes or your brainstorming assignment, in the writing notebook brain and draft section like we did today, which was Thursday. Reading note, or you could put it in your reading notebook crafting section if you do not have that writing notebook, okay? That's what I want you to work on. These assignments should take you the whole entire period. Now, if you finish all that, or when you finish all that, please make sure that you finish the homework assignment, the science fiction, the meeting assignment, okay? Which is at the bottom of Unit 2 in every class period. I know I'm in my first and second period right now, but this goes for every class period. The instructions are the same, okay? That assignment is at the very bottom, and it looks like this right here, okay? This was the homework assignment from last Friday. When you finish everything, or if you finish everything, please finish this assignment for me because I am taking this for a grade along with everything else, obviously, but especially this one, okay? Please get this done, all right? You have again today and even over the weekend to finish, but if it is not done by the first, it will be counted as a 0, okay? Please get that done for me, okay? Now, let me go back to our instructions under Collaborate session. Everything you need will be under the Collaborate session, the notes, the instructions, and the Collaborate session at the bottom. Once again, I am in first and second period, but the instructions will be the same for every class, and I will change the Collaborate sessions. This video will be available to you, obviously. It's going to be right here titled Mr. Cotton's Cool Video. Once I get done recording this and uploading it, it will be accessible just like this link and this link, okay? And remember, if you need anything, please email me right here, okay? If I could just click it. There we go. Please email me right there if you need anything. All right. There are also other teachers on campus, such as Miss Devonish and Miss Mosley. Most of you already know who Miss Devonish is. So if you need anything that requires another teacher, please ask Miss Devonish or even ask Miss George for my 4th and 5th period kids who know who she is. Okay. I hope you all have a great and safe Friday as well as a weekend. And, hit me up if you need anything. I'll see you all on Monday. Stay safe and stay blessed.